fucking allow me to listen to what I want, fucking bitch. That's all I'm saying, fucking motherfucker. Fucking sick of it. He's a fucking asshole. He doesn't fucking care. He doesn't fucking care. You know how he is. He doesn't fucking care. Things about him. Everything's about him. Me. Fucking asshole. I have to decide. Everything has to be my decision. Fucking asshole. And he goes around lying to people saying he's the one who decides everything. Fucking asshole. Narcissistic bitch. That's all I'm saying.
This is a coaching manual that really comes with the assessment. So it's a fun tool. Self-awareness is a superpower. That's what I've learned about successful people.
Don't you wish you got some of this kind of stuff at graduation instead of whatever it was that you got? I don't even remember now.
I don't either. I think I got a tie from my grandfather.
Someone gave me a very important item. I'll tell you what it was. A gold cross.
Now, let me tell you, of course I do. Those were big. My dad,
like before the Mont Blanc. Yeah, before the Mont Blanc craze. That's correct. You were cool. You had a cross pen and a cross pencil.
You put it in your highly starched pocket.
Right there in your highly
This lady knows what we're talking about.
But you got to be old to know that. Not that lady, but the other people got to be old.
Yeah, you aren't old, man. We are.
No, that's like a. Go back and look at the early Dave before the Mont Blanc was in that same starched pocket to prove that I knew something. The two cross pins were in there. That was
Did you have a gold and a silver?
No, I just had the gold.
Just the gold. That's all I had. Gold. Big deal. My dad got me one. I thought that I had arrived.
Yeah, pretty much I'm an adult now.
Yeah.
Pretty much I got a cross pin. I'm ready to write stuff now. So, RamseySolutions.com/store. No pins will be sold. That's only books. Check it out. Kim is with us. Chicago. Hey, Kim. How are you?
Hi, you guys. Doing well. Thank you for taking my call.
Sure. What's up?
Well, my husband and I, thankfully, thanks to you guys, paid $180,000 in debt earlier this year. So we're super excited.
Wow.
Yeah. So it was 110 in student loans and 70K in car loans.
Man. What do you feel, kiddo? How did you feel?
Yeah, we feel really good. Thank you. Yeah, to be honest, just for you guys. I mean, we followed the baby steps. We got really intentional and got 3 babies along the way, but we did it.
Very good for you. So how can we help today?
Well, now I'm in baby steps 4, 5, and 6. I have a mortgage of $390, and I'm saving for kids' college and also our retirement. So there's 50% on my 401k, and my question is, my husband's a police officer, and he is on going to receive a pension, which is 75% of his income at retirement, and he does not have a 401k there. So I'm trying to figure out how do I fund his 15% for retirement.
It's our 15%. So we add up our total household income, and we need to get 15% in retirement somewhere. So we do not have a 401k at his place to work with. We have one at your place to work with. And you have 2 Roth IRAs you could do as well. So another $6,000 each there. And so if you maxed out your 401k and you maxed out $12,000 worth of 2 Roth IRAs, would that equal 15% of your household income?
Well, my household is 210.
Okay. So you need about $30,000 going in. You're going to get close. You're not quite going to be there. But you're probably just going to max your 401k and max 2 Roths. And that's about as close as you can get. Unless you got some self-employed income anywhere, do you?
I do not, no.
Okay. Yeah, I think you're probably limited to that. He does not even have a 403B at the police department.
I just asked him that to look into it a little bit more. He said he was not aware of anything like that, but I'm going to check in a little bit more because I've heard of that one, but I wasn't sure exactly what that was.
Most of them have a deferred comp 457 and or a 403B in addition to pension. And both of those would work. I would rather use your 401k and max it out and then do 2 Roths. And if that doesn't get there, then I would use a 403B or a 457, one of the two. That'd be my last choice. To get to the whole 5, so we're $31,000. We're trying to get $31,000 into something. That's the point. And that's so between those two, it doesn't matter whose name it's in, because you have marital rights to your 401k of your spouse. Whether, in other words, if there's a divorce, that's an asset that's laying there that gets divided up. So if it's all in your name, it doesn't matter. Like the big 401k load up I'm talking about here. So, but the point is just take your household income, 15% going into something for retirement. And the best thing out there, folks, for those of you listening, is a match. You want to do that first. The second best thing is Roth. The best thing of all is Roth with match, okay? But match, Roth, traditional. So match beats Roth beats traditional. It's rock, paper, scissors, except there's only one way to win. Okay? Match beats Roth beats traditional. And if you just go down that path, then you can do it. And so the 403B and 457 would fall in the heading of traditional because they're tax deferred like a traditional IRA or traditional 401k. Same mess there. Same politics hooks. Danon is with us in Morgantown, West Virginia. Is it Danon? Is that correct?
Yes, it's Danon.
Sure. How can I help?
Absolutely. So I have about $74,000 worth of debt, 60 of which is my house. At the end of the year, I'll have my car paid off, which is the other 14. And then I'm getting a $20,000 bonus from the military. Not for sure if I should use that on buying a new house or just throw all of it at my current house.
What's the bonus for?
The military, my reinvestment bonus.
Oh, okay. Thanks for serving. What branch do you serve in?
The Navy.
Okay, cool. Good for you. All right. How long have you been serving?
About 6 years.
Okay. So you may have landed there and going to stay there, huh? In that location, or are they going to move you?
So no, I'm reserved. I live out of Morgantown, West Virginia,
Oh, okay.
and I do travel 4 times a year with the military.
Gotcha. It's reserves. Okay. All right. That part I didn't catch. Okay. That makes more sense then, because you're and 100% then I'm throwing that at the house. So you're in baby steps 4, what we call 4, 5, and 6. You have an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses?
I have roughly 2 right now. I'm
Okay.
currently throwing into it.
Well, when you get the car paid off, let's beef up that emergency fund. Okay? And so a fully funded emergency fund and debt-free but the house leaves you in baby steps 4, 5, and 6. And now you're starting to attack that way, and you just throw the money at the house. Let's just get the house paid off. You only owe 60 grand. Way to go, man. Killing it. Good job. This is the Ramsey Show.